1. Listen to the conversation carefully. 2. After listening to it, in the second half repeat your lines with the character.
Hi there. Can you help me with something?
Of course. What do you need assistance with?
I'm trying to learn how to introduce myself in English. Can you guide me?
Absolutely. Let's start with a simple greeting. Say, "Hi, my name is Jenna."
Hi, my name is Jenna.
Great. Now, let's add where you're from. I am from Canada.
I am from Canada.
Excellent. You're doing well. If you want to ask the other person's name, you can say, "And you?"
And you?
Perfect. You've got it. Keep practicing, and it'll become more natural over time.
Excuse me, can you help me order food in English?
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help. What would you like to order?
I'd like a burger and fries, please.
Good choice. You can say, "I'd like a burger and fries, please."
I'd like a burger and fries, please.
Excellent. And if they ask, "For here or to go?" you can say, "For here, please."
For here, please.
Perfect. Ordering food will be a breeze with a few more phrases like these. Keep it up.
Hi there. Can you help me with something? I'm trying to learn how to introduce myself in English. Can you guide me? Hi, my name is Jenna. I am from Canada. And you? Excuse me, can you help me order food in English? I'd like a burger and fries, please. I'd like a burger and fries, please. For here, please.